In this video, we are going to talk about different options you need to know to have online business. So before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for future updates. There appears to be no shortage of good online business concepts. The truth is that the internet has made starting a business quite simple. You can contact anyone in any part of the world with simply a website. You'd be making your own money in no time if you targeted the appropriate folks with the correct offer. Cost savings, better flexibility, and fewer paper waste are all advantages of having an internet business. These are various choices that will assist you in starting an online business. Number 7. Merch Informer. Merch Informer is a research tool developed by two Amazon merch vendors. The software was designed by the founders based on their own platform experience and achievements. They figured it out and decided to share what they learned with other sellers. They incorporated features that they could use themselves. This provides the program a leg up on the competition. Its major goal is to assist sellers in identifying niches that are both profitable and not oversaturated. It provides you with niche knowledge that will assist you in making design decisions and ultimately selling your home. You have knowledge of what clients want and what designs they like. You can use keyword research to uncover the most popular t-shirt designs and use them as a source of inspiration. This tool is a one-stop shop, so you don't have to do all of your research on Amazon anymore. Merch Informer Lister is included with all Merch Informer plans and allows you to easily upload many design variations. If you need to upload designs and are weary of having to modify colors or choose a different price every time, Merch Informer Lister has you covered. You may use the Merch Informer Lister to assign color profiles to a hotkey, allowing you to quickly and easily select merch by Amazon product colors with a single button. Do you wish to fill out the merch by Amazon product's brand name, title, bullet points, and description? With the info profiles, all of this is as simple as pressing a single hotkey. Stop wasting time listing and focus on what counts most, researching and selling more merch by Amazon products. Number 6. BlueHost. Endurance International Group owns BlueHost, a web hosting provider. It was one of the top 20 web providers in 2015, with a total of over 2 million domains hosted in 2010. In a study of web-based hosting services in collaborative online learning programs, BlueHost was one of the companies investigated. BlueHost offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting, WooCommerce hosting, and professional marketing services in addition to shared hosting and WordPress hosting. PHP 7, HTTP/2, and Jinx Plus caching are used on their servers. BlueHost is an official WordPress recommended hosting provider and one of the largest web hosting providers in the world. BlueHost provides a wide range of hosting options for beginners as well as small, medium, and big organizations, as well as 24/7 customer service. Number 5. System.io. According to the Technology Industry Trend Report, most organizations employ an average of 175 different tools and software on a daily basis. To be honest, it may be really stressful at times. Every aspect of your digital marketing strategy may be addressed with a tool. Email marketing software, website builders, landing page builders, podcast hosting, keyword rank tracking, webinar software, and so much more are all available through these tools. Thankfully, there are systems like System.io, which is a single platform with a suite of tools that allows you to create sales funnels, manage affiliate networks, automate various aspects of your marketing plan, and much more. System.io is a one-stop shop for everything you'll need to run a successful online business. It's a complete marketing platform developed by Aurelian Amaker, a tech expert who began his career as a consultant and went on to establish a highly successful online coaching firm. He became upset with having to deal with dozens of various programs while working on his clients' blogs, so he decided to build his own platform that would handle all of the other operations without having to go from one tool to the next. System.io has evolved to become a major hit with thousands of consumers in different nations across the world since its launch in France in 2010. For most people who are just getting started online, the most difficult part is figuring out how many tools are required to run a successful internet business. Even if they have a good understanding of all the numerous apps and software that are required, many people don't have the time or bandwidth to figure out how to get the most out of each of them separately. They end up paying for a lot of features they'll never use because they lack the necessary technical expertise and background, and they end up with disappointing results, which leads to frustration. That's why a tool like System.io is so valuable. It eliminates the need for you to learn and pay for multiple platforms by providing all of the functionality you require in one place. A sales funnel builder, an email campaign manager, the ability to establish and implement your own affiliate program and marketing strategy, setting marketing automation rules across your digital marketing platforms, and much more are just a few of the System.io capabilities. Number 4. INVIDEO. Transform your content into fantastic videos, the platform says. Media firms, small businesses, brands, and entrepreneurs use the platform to increase engagement with their video content. They come with built-in animations and movement. They also come in a variety of sizes and ratios, allowing you to share the films on social media. The templates make use of an AI, artificial intelligence, engine that works in the background to present you with images and music choices so you don't have to. Number 3. PLACEIT. There's a common assumption that e-commerce merchants must be professionals in all aspects of their business: marketing, website design, video production, product design, sales, and so on. However, you won't be able to do it all by yourself, at least not at the expert level of expertise required to make your firm profitable. Thankfully, there are websites and tools available that provide a step-by-step, simple-to-use procedure for developing brand mockups and demo films that takes very little time and requires no design or Photoshop abilities. This means you can make custom clothes and branded products to set your store apart from the competition in just a few simple steps. PLACEIT is one of these businesses, and it has been around since 2013. PLACEIT is your one-stop shop for mockups, logos, design templates, and animated films. According to the business, perhaps you sell t-shirts and want a more professional and realistic approach to display your ideas. PLACEIT includes thousands of clothing and digital gadget mockups that may be created in seconds. Perhaps your online business requires a new logo. PLACEIT has you covered with simple logo makers that may help you differentiate your e-commerce store and strengthen your brand. Along with garment and logo designs, they also have thousands of templates for business cards, book covers, flyers, and more, with more being uploaded every day. PLACEIT claims that their teams marry design with technology to produce high-quality branding and marketing tools so that anyone, regardless of technical or artistic talents, can develop effective visual assets and products for their brand. Number 2. ADCREATIVE.ai. ADCREATIVE.ai makes it simple to get started creating on-brand creatives that convert well while saving you time and money. Simply upload your brand's graphic assets, and the AI will create excellent creatives for your project, including square and story sizes of 1080 by 1080 and 1080 by 1920. The powerful AI was trained on millions of high-performing ad creatives, allowing you to constantly develop data-backed and conversion-oriented creatives. Because ADCREATIVE.ai is cloud-based, you won't have to worry about bandwidth, memory, or size constraints while creating ad variations. You can save time on downloading and uploading by using integrations to distribute your favorite creatives directly to your connected ad accounts. You may also integrate with Google and Facebook advertisements to allow AI to learn from your data and provide you with even better marketing results. By sending millions of high-converting creatives through the Google Display Network, you can optimize your ad performance and forecast the optimal combinations for your marketing strategy. Number 1. Aweber. Aweber is an email marketing tool that allows you to create a mailing list and collect data on it, design newsletters that can be sent to your list subscribers, automate your email marketing through the use of autoresponders, and view and analyze statistics related to your email marketing campaigns. Aweber was created in 1998, and over 120,000 individuals and businesses have utilized the platform for email marketing, according to the company's creator Tom Kulzer. This makes it a smaller firm than some of its competitors, most notably MailChimp and GetResponse, but it is nonetheless a well-known brand with a large user base. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.